Here's a quick tip to something we have been doing for several years. Every couple weeks, I buy 5 large bunches of bananas, and then whenever they start getting brown with all those little brown spots, then we peel them and freeze them individually on a baking sheet. And after a few hours, when they are frozen solid, we take them out off the baking sheet and we put them in a freezer bag and stick them back in the freezer. That is so much more convenient and easier than just sticking them in the freezer with the skin on and then trying to, remove that skin later. But we use these for smoothies pretty much every day. So by doing this, even if you freeze them, you can quickly thaw them and make banana bread or whatever. It's so quick, super, and very convenient. So the bananas, they have been freezing for about 4 hours and they are frozen and they are ready to go in the freezer bag and go back in the freezer. And yes, we are missing a few because we have already been having smoothies.